Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before we continue, I'd like us to like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at question number 1 from 2023 December WASSCE General Mathematics, and it says, number 1, the sum of two quantities is y. One of the quantities varies directly as x squared and the other inversely as x. If y equals to 32 when x equals to 2 and y equals to 86 when x equals to 4. Find an equation for y in terms of x. B, the value of y when x equals to 3. So we have solution. It says two quantities. We now say let the two quantities equals to m and n. The question says the sum of two quantities equals to y. Therefore, we have m plus n equals to y. So this statement says one of the quantities varies directly as x squared. We take m as the first one, varies directly as x squared. So in this case, we have a proportionality sign here. For us to remove it and put equality sign, we have to introduce constant. So this will give us m equals to k1 x squared. So the statement now says the other inversely as x. That means the other one, which is n, varies inversely as x. This is x. So here, for us to remove this proportionality sign, we have to introduce k constant, which is n equals to k2 all over x. Now, we have here where it says m plus n equals to y. Therefore, we have to substitute the value of m and n into this equation. Therefore, we have y equals to m, which is k1 x squared plus k2 all over x. So this is what we have. Now, the statement now says if y equals to 32, y equals to 32, and x equals to 2, x equals to 2. So we have to substitute these parameters into this equation. So we have 32, where y equals to 32 equals to k1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus k2 all over 2. In this case, we have 32 equals to k1 times 4 plus k2 all over 2. We have a fraction here. For us to clear this, we have to multiply all through by 2. So we have 32 times 2 equals to 2 times k1 times 4 plus k2 all over 2 times 2. So 2 will cancel here and 2 will cancel here. So we are now left with 32 times 2 is 64 equals to 2 times 4, we have 8 k1 plus k2. So there we have equation 1. So from the question, the second statement says y equals to 86 when x equals to 4. So we have to substitute these parameters back to this equation. So we have 86 equals to k1 times 4 raised to the power of 2 plus k2 all over 4. Here we have a fraction here. For us to clear this, we have to multiply all through by 4. So we have 86 times 4 equals to k1 times 4 raised to the power of 2 times 4 plus k2 all over 4 times 4. 4 will cancel here 1, 4 will cancel here. So we are now left with 86 times 4 is 344 equals to 4 squared is 16. 16 times 4, we have 64 k1 plus k2. So we have this. This become our equation 2. So here we need to move over to this other side. So we have that as equation 2. So here our equation 2 is 344 equals to 64 k1 plus k2. So this is equation 2 and we have equation 1. So we have bring down the equation 1, 64 equals to 8k1 plus k2. This is equation 1. So we have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. When we do that, we are going to have 344 minus 64 going to give us 280 equals to 64 minus 8 will give us 56 k1 plus k2 minus k2 will give us 0. So we have this. So now this is k1. Then here, this will become 280 equals to 56 k1. So we have to divide all through by 56. We have 280 all over 56 equals to 56 all over 56 k1. 56 will cancel here. 56 will cancel here. Now, 56 will cancel here 1 and 56 will cancel here 5 times. We have k1 equals to 5. So this is the value of k1. Now, for us to have the value of k2, we need to substitute k1 into equation 1. So we have 64 equals to 8 times 5 plus K2. That is from equation 1. So here will give us 64 equals to 40 plus K2. So here, for us to find this value of K2, we have to, 40 will transpose to this other side. We have 64 minus 40 equals to K2. Therefore, 64 minus 40 is 24. So the value of K2 is 24. And now, for us to find the equation, we need to substitute the value of K2 and K1 into this equation. I've cleaned that equation. The equation was y equals to m, which is K1 x squared plus n. Our n was K2 all over x. So that was our n. So now, from this equation, substituting K1 and K2 into this equation, we have y equals to, our value of K1 is 5 times x squared, plus our value of K2 is 24. So it's going to be 24 all over x. Here we have, this is the equation. We have this as the equation from A. So B says the value of y when x equals to 3. So we need to find the value of y when x equals to 3. So from this equation, where we have y equals to 5x squared plus 24 all over x. So it says the value of y when x equals to, at x equals to 3. So we have y equals to 5 times 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 24 all over 3. So in this case, we have y equals to 5 times 9 plus, we have 3 here, we have 8 plus 8. So now we have y equals to 45 plus 8. So the value of y equals to 45 plus 8, 53. So the value of y when x equals to 3, the value of y equals to 53. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.